Oh my god, what happened? I was on the beach with this motorcycle, but the motorcycle is dead in the middle of the road. Hey, sir, are you busy? I'll be here soon to fix my motorcycle.
Oh, yeah, where are you see? Where are you now?
Hang on, I will check the location.
I will later. What's wrong with the motorcycle?
No, it just suddenly died. The starter won't turn either.
Hang on, I'll check. Read let's the battery cover.
Yes.
Yes. I'm fine.
Now let's look for the first book. Usually near the battery.
Yes.
Battery only.
Three are several push in three. Let's check the fuse
Pocket.
first because it's connects to the
Pocket,
injection
pocket.
system.
Pocket. Sini kakeknya lima papat.
It's locked. The fuse has blown.
So what?
Remove fuse is broken fuse.
Okay.
Now we'll replace it with a new fuse with the same amperes.
I happen to have a spare.
Good. I'll install.
Yes.
It's installed now. Let's close the cover again.
That's it.
Now try starting a motorcycle.
Wow, it's working. It start again.
So it was correct. The problem was in the FU force.
Thank you very much, sir.